Some bulldozer operators don't just work, they perform. From jaw-dropping saves to moves that defy gravity, GreenTech brings you the best in the business. Let's roll. This video shows incredible bulldozer operating skill. The driver calmly extracts the machine from a steep, tricky forest slope. They apply subtle blade pressure and use the environment for traction, demonstrating true field experience and risk management. Let's look at the eccentric ripper, seen here in an Austrian quarry. This attachment was developed by Grotto Zero Group. They make heavy-duty buckets and quick couplers, but also handle large rock projects themselves. This unique combination led them to invent the eccentric ripper in 2009. It's now a reliable, efficient tool for rock excavation worldwide. This is the American-made Caterpillar D11, a super heavy track-type tractor built for tough rock and hard earth. It's powered by a 936 horsepower Cat C32 ACERT engine with precise hydraulic controls for its blade and rear ripper. It's a true symbol of American heavy machinery strength in mining and construction. We've got a unique challenge here. A T800 and DET250 dozer trying to move a massive anvil. The T800 has asphalt tracks, and the DET250 is on metal sheets, making it even trickier. These anvils are usually used to anchor heavy equipment. It started like any normal lift. Then, in 2 seconds, talk about a blast from the past. That M1070 tractor and M1000 trailer set looks incredibly well kept. I can tell you, hauling a D10 like that without a beam trailer is no small feat. It's a powerful combination, and it's cool to see it still working hard in Cameroon. Ever seen a disc trencher in action? This is the BRAC T26A, their most powerful model. It's designed to handle tough terrain with rocks and debris, preparing the soil for new seedlings. It also helps with drainage and prevents erosion, making it a versatile tool for forestry. Let us know in the comments. Type 1 if you thought our video was interesting, and 0 if you thought it was boring. Look at this, the enormous Letourneau L2350 wheel loader, weighing 260 tons, being towed by 4 Mercedes-Benz trailers. This giant was on its way to the Atacama mining site. It's incredible to see such a massive piece of equipment on the move. Standing in front of a P&H shovel in a Chilean mine is like staring at a moving skyscraper. Each bucket hauls enough rock to fill a dump truck the size of a house. The silence of the scene makes the scale feel even more surreal. Get ready for a treat. Listen to that sound as the donkey engine fires up this Caterpillar D8H. It's pure mechanical music. Working deep in snow-covered forests, these LTK machines battle cold, ice, and terrain most trucks wouldn't touch. But the real story is the operators, navigating hidden slopes, frozen ground, and tough calls with calm and skill. Out here, there's no backup, just man, machine, and snow. You won't believe what this excavator operator pulls off. Stuck deep in a muddy swamp where the ground can't hold the weight, he manages to self-recover without any outside help. It's a masterclass in control, using every subtle movement to inch out of danger.
Hey! Oh, Stop once now, because I shall not.
And now, for something a little different. Witness the power of an extra-large stump cutter in action. This is how they clear lots, Northwest style, making quick work of huge tree stumps. A little hiccup. Looks like this dozer ran into some trouble on the flatbed trailer. A good demolition starts with the right equipment. The excavator made quick work of the collapsing barn, breaking down walls and lifting out the concrete pad. Machines like this turn heavy labor into a clean, simple process. This is what heavy equipment was built for, taking on jobs that no crew could handle alone. Tiny but scrappy DT-75 versus heavyweight T-170. Who's your pick in this Soviet-era tractor showdown? This machine does it all, cutting, stripping, and measuring logs in seconds. The Ponce Ergo C4 with H7 head works smarter, not harder. It tackles big trees deep in the forest with less fuel, less time, and more precision. Logging today isn't just about muscle, it's about control. I've always liked Tiger Cat machines, and the 625 skidder shows why. It's powerful, stable, and handles big pulls without strain. For forestry work, it's one of the best tools in the business. The K700 wasn't built for hill climbs, but here it is, tackling a steep racetrack like it's Sunday fun. It's bulky, loud, and totally out of place, but 100% entertaining to watch. Ever wondered how land gets prepped for something big, like a vineyard? Watch this Caterpillar D8H as it rips and pulls rocks in Mallorca. It's making light work of some seriously tough ground.
İlle isteği adam ve video çekeceğim diye be.
We go to a real rescue mission. This tractor ended up buried in mud and roots by the river, a tough spot for sure. But watch as a Komatsu excavator carefully works to lift it free. It's a painstaking process, showing serious skill.
Λοιπόν, πάρε, το τράβηξε τώρα, ακόμα τραβάει.
No ramp? No problem. The PowerHand HD high-tip bucket lifts high and dumps clean. It's made for big volumes of light material, and it'll likely outlast the machine it's attached to. How do you move a tree trunk bigger than your truck? You call in a grapple like this. That approach angle looks risky. One slip, and you're off the rails. Loading a tractor like this takes nerves, balance, and a perfectly aligned ramp. Let us know in the comments. Type 1 if you thought our video was interesting, and 0 if you thought it was boring. Let's go back in time to a true legend, the 1965 Caterpillar D8H46A. This bulldozer was a powerhouse for road building, especially in tough, hilly areas. Without modern tech, it was all about the operator's skill and feel for the machine. That's no job for the faint of heart. It's not every day you see two D9s pushing as one. For heavy scrapers, that extra muscle means fewer passes, faster grading, and less wear on the equipment. Smart teamwork, big results. The D10R isn't just big, it's built for serious work. That elevated sprocket design helps reduce wear and keeps maintenance simple. At 580 horsepower and 70 tons, this machine crushes heavy tasks like mining and land clearing. Add in fine hydraulic control, and you've got power and precision in one bulldozer. Training on a slope like that is no joke. Carlos is learning how to control the excavator under pressure, especially when traction and gravity don't agree. Even tough machines like the R1700G can't dodge gravity. That falling rock came down hard and fast. After 3 decades of silence, this old Cat D8 roars back to life. All it took was care, time, and some elbow grease. These machines were built to last, and with the right hands, even a 1945 model still has more to give. What's the trickiest part of moving an excavator? For this operator, it looks like getting onto the trailer is proving to be a real challenge. You can see how one wrong move could make things complicated.
Ghê các bạn nhá, trèo lên đống cát không là bò lên.
Sometimes just seeing a machine like this parked is enough to impress. That Caterpillar dozer, with clean lines and solid steel, looks ready to tear into anything. That was way too close. The excavator leaned hard on the edge. One wrong correction and it could have tipped. Tight spots need slow hands.
Pelo amor de Deus, cara, ali. Oh. Ixi. Aí, levanta aí. Aí. Agora dá.
Era só tinha que puxar o outro lado lá, pô.
FD9 may be smaller than a D10, but it moves Earth with steady power. Great for medium jobs where precision still matters. Clean push, good blade angle, and smooth track control. Tree clearing doesn't have to be slow. With the tree saw on a dozer, one pass can clear what would take hours by hand, fast and clean. Every bulldozer tells a story, and we're just getting started. Subscribe to Green Tech and don't miss what's coming next. These machines never rest, and neither do we.